Update value of a nested dictionary of varying depth. I'm looking for a way to update Dict Dictionary 1 with the contents of Dict Update without overwriting Lavella. I know that Update deletes the values in level 2 because it's updating the lowest key level 1. How could I tackle this, given that Dictionary 1 and Update can have any length?
AdFM's answer has the right general idea, i.e. a recursive solution, but somewhat peculiar coding and at least one bug. I'd recommend, instead, Python 2. Python 3. The bug shows up when the update has a K. The item with the Zidicton K is not originally a key in the dictionary being updated. AdFM's code skips this part of the update, because it performs it on an empty nudict which isn't saved or returned anywhere, just lost when the recursive call returns. My other changes are minor. There is no reason for the if/else construct when .git does the same job faster and cleaner. An if instance is best applied to abstract-based classes, not concrete ones, for generality.
If you happen to be using Pydantic, GreatLib, BTW, you can use one of its utility methods. Update, reference to code, as pointed by @Yorgu. If installing Pydantic is not desired, the code is short enough to be copied, provided adequate licenses compatibilities.
Took me a little bit on this one, but thanks to @Alex's post, he filled in the gap I was missing. However, I came across an issue if a value within the recursive dict happens to be a list, so I thought I'd share, and extend his answer.
Same solution as the accepted one, but clearer variable naming, docstring, and fixed a bug where, as a value would not override. Here are a few test cases. This functions is available in the Charlatan package, in charlatan.utils.
If you want to see more, please consider supporting.